Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. I am from Brazil.
Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go?
I would like to go shopping. I would like to go shopping.
How is the weather? How is the weather?
It is very cold. It is very cold.
When do you get off work? When do you get off work?
I get off work at 1 p.m. I get off work at 1 p.m.
Is it ready? Is it ready?
Yes, everything is ready. Yes, everything is ready.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. Yes, I am okay.
What time does it start? What time does it start?
It starts at 8:30 a.m. It starts at 8:30 a.m.
Did you exercise today? Did you exercise today?
Yes, I had a workout session. Yes, I had a workout session.
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza.
Why are you late? Why are you late?
I had car trouble. I had car trouble.
Have you ever volunteered for a cause? Have you ever volunteered for a cause?
Yes, I have volunteered before. Yes, I have volunteered before.
Are you a morning or evening walker? Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer evening walks. I prefer evening walks.
How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
I slept for 7 hours. I slept for 7 hours.
How much does your phone cost? How much does your phone cost?
My phone cost $500. My phone cost $500.
Do you like to take photos? Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography. Yes, I enjoy photography.
Are you good at solving puzzles? Are you good at solving puzzles?
Yes, I like solving puzzles. Yes, I like solving puzzles.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play video games. I like to play video games.
Why did you choose this career? Why did you choose this career?
It aligns with my passion. It aligns with my passion.
Are you good at playing video games? Are you good at playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games. Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
Did you attend any meetings today? Did you attend any meetings today?
Yes, I had a few meetings. Yes, I had a few meetings.
How many countries have you visited? How many countries have you visited?
I visited 5 countries. I visited 5 countries.
How much time do you spend on social media? How much time do you spend on social media?
I spend an hour daily. I spend an hour daily.
What do you want for your birthday? What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new laptop. I want a new laptop.
Why did you move to this city? Why did you move to this city?
For better job opportunities. For better job opportunities.
Have you ever been to a music festival? Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I've been to a few music festivals. Yes, I've been to a few music festivals.
Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing. Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages. I can speak 3 languages.
Why did you learn programming? Why did you learn programming?
To pursue a tech career. To pursue a tech career.
Are you going to the party? Are you going to the party?
Yes, I am going to the party. Yes, I am going to the party.
Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies. Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
How many emails do you receive daily? How many emails do you receive daily?
I receive around 50 emails. I receive around 50 emails.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies. I relax and watch movies.
Why did you choose that color? Why did you choose that color?
It's my favorite color. It's my favorite color.
Have you ever been to a concert? Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to a concert. Yes, I have been to a concert.